Hey guys, CryptoGao and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's nice to finally be on YouTube and to be able to help others spread information and education. The whole purpose of this channel is to be able to help others become better traders and to educate you into the cryptocurrency market. If you're here, it's because you know there's an upcoming bull run going on right now and you want to make money and you want to make it through the new next bull run. With my experience, I have 7 years of experience in cryptocurrency and my goal is to be able to help you here. Some things we can expect from this YouTube channel are some live streams. We can expect some trades and we can do some market analysis each week. There's more that we can expect as time goes, but we'll try to do it. So let's get on going, guys. Hey guys, again. So I was previously saying that I believe we are on our way to an upcoming bull market right now. And so far, we have already confirmed the end of a bear market, as we all may have seen, because Bitcoin just went from 60K to 27K just as of yesterday. Yeah, as of yesterday, it went to 27K for the first time, which actually means a lot. It doesn't. It's still not much, you know. We were still down from 67K, but it actually does mean a lot that it's on 27K, especially with all of this drama and all of these things on the economic going on. With the banks going bankrupt and the fact that Bitcoin is going up. This is the whole purpose why Bitcoin is was created. We all have to just remember that if we got into Bitcoin, it was mainly because of idealism, because you believe that banks are a scam and banks are not safe. So that's why you invested on Bitcoin. Just remember the whole reason you invested on Bitcoin was to screw the banks, basically, and to be your own bank, to manage your own money, because we're all seeing things that are happening with the banks right now. Right now, as banks are going bankrupt, banks are closing. They're closing accounts. You know, it's a lot of things going on, man. And you can never be safe. Our money is never gonna be safe if it's not in our own money and in our ledger or treasure, whichever you have. But regardless, like we all know Bitcoin is here to stay and Bitcoin is just gonna keep on going up. It is very volatile. It is very dangerous for the new investor, but I mean, Bitcoin is never gonna stop. Sorry, I got caught there, man. It's just my first time doing a video, so I'm still new to this YouTube thing, But yeah, I'm still getting used to it. My videos keeps on getting cut down. But to get on going, guys. So yeah, like as of now, like we gave an earlier prediction on our Discord. Uh, Back on, I believe on our previous analysis on Bitcoin was made on March the 10th. As you can see here, it's March the 10th. After the storm comes the sun. And basically here we said that Bitcoin is going to be correcting. And that's when Bitcoin fell to, I think, 19.5K. And yeah, dips are for buying. And we reclaimed the 25K area, which was our target, and now we are on 27K, I think. Yeah, 27,300K right now, which is good. It's good. This was our chart on the here. There was a CME gap, if you guys recall, and we actually filled it, and we bounced up. So let me see here. Let me see if I can find the chart in here. Uh, no, it's not here. But yeah, the thing with the CME gaps, guys, is Bitcoin always tends um, to fill those gaps. Although not always do they get filled, but it's a theory between people that they have the belief that gaps are always getting filled. So just here it is. Here we have it. It went from oof. That's the chart we used to have. It's on Trading View. I have some posts on Trading View if you guys don't follow me, but you can get like my live trades and see how they go on TradingView. So here, for example, this is a chart I made back on. It was updated on the March 14th, but I made this chart on March 10th, and it's yeah. Well, we gave some predictions in here. We said that the 25K back then was a very strong resistance zone, which is this black line we have here, and thus it's showing a resistance. And there was a CME gap that you can see right where the cursor is. There's a gap right here. So I filled the box with the gap, and the theory is with the CME gaps is that the price always has to fall into those gaps. We gotta fill them, and then we can finally resume going up. That's what people believe. If people believe, I believe it too. Because sometimes you just gotta follow the horde. You just gotta follow the people, and that's how you make money on these markets. You always gotta follow the people. Just take a look at Dogecoin, for example, or Shiba Inu. Those are just meme coins, and even though those are shit coins and they have no purpose at all, people like them and they have a huge community behind them, and that's what really matters. The fact that they have a community with more than I think 8 million people. That means a lot. I don't really remember how big their communities are. I think it's 3 million people uh, that Shiba Inu has in Dogecoin, but it's just amazing how many people they could have. That's not Shiba Inu. So let's see Dogecoin. So Dogecoin, just take a look at Dogecoin. It has a 3.7 million followers. Then we go to Shiba Inu, and oh, this is not Shiba Inu. Yeah, I can't find Shiba Inu, but oh, I think Shiba Inu. I'm not sure, but yeah. Well, anyways, thing with that is they have a big community now. Let's take a good look at some other coin. That you saw Dogecoin had $3.7 million. Let's take a look at Data, for example. They're a real project and they only have 266K followers. Even though we all know it's easy, they have a big potential and they're real. But with Dogecoin, it's not like that. They have a big community, although they don't have the fundamentals. They can still go up, you know. So that's what matters at the end. It's the community. It's always you have to have a nice community that's always involved and it's always developing. And yeah. So as I was saying with the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin previous prediction in here, we had a prediction that uh, we were going to retest. I said I believe that after this dip, we should be reclaiming the 25K area and go higher. And dips are for buying. And at the end, if I press play, we're gonna see like the how it's going up right now. Press play, and this is how the play turned out to be. We're so far at 26K. We retested the 25K area again. We kind of fought a bit and then we just went up. I believe we're still going to go up and we're gonna go to it's not this chart, but I believe we're on our way to 30K, if not 50K, and then maybe an all-time high. That's the road that we're gonna take with Bitcoin right now, and that's where we are heading right now. Excuse my English, but I have terrible English. Trying to improve my English too. Um, but yeah, like so yeah, as we were talking with Bitcoin, on our Discord we had this prediction on here. We made this update on the 13th of this month, and here we stated that Bitcoin is going to go to 30K in the short term, and we had this chart after it broke, and so far we've been going up, and I believe we're gonna retest this area, which is exactly at around anywhere from 32 to 34K on Bitcoin. I think we're just gonna go up right now. Uh, this is my. It's not my. This is my target box. It's not buy area. It's a target box, and yeah, ever since we just entered the target box, we've just been going up, and I believe we're gonna reach all the way here, which is 89K. If not higher, who knows? Who knows? With the things that are going on right now, but we can just expect the best and hope for the best too. So as I was saying, like Bitcoin is very bullish, and right now the whole market is also going to follow. First is always Bitcoin because without Bitcoin there is no cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin is always be stronger, and whenever Bitcoin is bullish, alts are gonna bleed always because it's Bitcoin first, and people are just want to buy Bitcoins, and even when countries make cryptocurrency a legal tender or they make laws about cryptocurrency, it's always Bitcoin. You won't see coins like Theta or XRP being legalized or stuff. It's always Bitcoin. If hedge funds buy, they're gonna buy Bitcoin. They're not gonna buy shit coins. They're not gonna buy your shit coins. They're just gonna buy Bitcoin. They're gonna buy the safest commodities, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Both of them are considered commodities as of 2 years ago, if I can recall. But they won't buy shitcoins. So it's always gonna be first Bitcoin. And once Bitcoin goes enough up, that money is gonna be poured and gonna be spread on all altcoins. So that's when the real opportunity comes, and you grow your Bitcoins. If you had 2 Bitcoins, you can grow them to 10 Bitcoins on that moment, which is what we call the alt season. So we gotta be prepared for that moment, and we can just hope for the best, man. We can just hope for the best at the end. And yeah, so this is my analysis with Bitcoin right now. With Ethereum, I still gotta update my charts, guys. So it's old charts I got, but I'm gonna update the charts with you when I do some live streams. That's what I want to do. I want to do some live streams and to be able to chart with you guys, so you guys can learn some of my ways and how I trade. And but I want to do it live, so you can see me live updating my charts. That's why I'm not updating anything right now. I'm just waiting to do for the right moment. Now with Ethereum, we also had a prediction in the Discord about Ethereum. We back when Ethereum was right here, because this line was a very important level. Was a very important level. Back then, a resistance. We couldn't pass that line, and we gave these targets here in Ethereum, and I think you can see them on the Discord. If you're on Discord, uh, the Ethereum analysis we had was on February the 28th. Yeah, this is on February the 28th. It's called the Ethereum update, looking like a drop, and here we had an analysis the Bitcoin was going to drop, and we had these targets. We had this targets area, and we exactly reached the target 2, and then we bounced up. Uh, I believe Ethereum is going to break this area, and we're heading straight to the 2K. We're gonna break the 2K. We're gonna break the 2K, and we're gonna go straight to 2.4K at least, and then we will have to analyze from that point on. But as of now, I'm sure, and I believe we're heading straight to 2.4K on Ethereum, which would mean a lot for the alt market, because whenever Ethereum starts going up, the alts go up too. Whenever Bitcoin goes up, alts go down, because people want to preserve their Bitcoins. They want to grow their Bitcoins. They don't want to grow their fiat. They want to grow their Bitcoins, and they want to conserve and protect their Bitcoins. So once the opportunity goes and Bitcoin goes enough up, as of now, Bitcoin is just going to continue going up. But once Bitcoin starts cooling down, that money starts going to us, and that's when you can make and grow your bitcoins. Then once you make enough bitcoins from that, you want to conserve those bitcoins. Meaning, if you had 2 bitcoins and now you have 10 bitcoins, you want to keep it that way. Don't be greedy, man. You want to keep it that way. You want to have 10 bitcoins. At the end, you now have 8 more bitcoins than before. What else could you ask for? You know, at the end, I have more bitcoins and more money, and I couldn't ask for more. And that's how the real game in Bitcoin is. People think only about growing their fiat, growing their money, when the real mentality you need to have on this game is you need to grow your bitcoins. You need to I mean, if you began trading with 1 bitcoin, let's say you invested $10,000 and you bought 1 bitcoin, and at the end, you now have $13,000, but now you don't have that one whole bitcoins because you were invested on altcoins. Now you have, I mean, you may have more money. You now have $13,000, let's say, for example, but now your total Bitcoin balance is now worth 0.9, let's say, for example. So you have $3,000 more, but you have 0.10 Bitcoin less. You think you're winning, but in reality, you're actually losing, because the whole purpose of Bitcoin is having more Bitcoin, not fiat. You know, you always want to have more Bitcoin. And by having that mentality and by having more Bitcoins, ironically, you end up making more money at the end. You end up making more fiat. It's just a mentality game. Don't think that's the way. It's all a game of mentality in here, man. It's all a game mentality. This is things that you only learn with experience, and that you I mean, people from 2017 have done and have learned. And now my goal is to be able to spread that information to you guys. Some things I learned in 2017, and we're just trying to make it here, man. We're just trying to make it. Now, yeah, like, so as of now, with Bitcoin, we already have an analysis on the Discord, and we have an analysis on the Ethereum too. Uh, so what's up with alts? So as I previously said, Bitcoin is going up. Right now it's Bitcoin going up. And when Bitcoin goes up, altcoins go down. This you could say, Ethereum Bitcoin, Ethereum BTC, Ethereum slash BTC. This, you could say, this is like the alt season indicator. This is one of the indicators people use back since 2017. And if you see, it's actually in a downtrend. And why is that? That's because Bitcoin is going up. It's just reaping. It's not forgiving any odds. It's you. If you check your wallet, if you're just buying alts, and if you check your wallet, tell me if you have more or less Bitcoin. If you have less Bitcoin, this is exactly the reason. That's why you need to have Bitcoin right now. And once Bitcoin starts cooling down, you go into alts. So if you see, like, altcoins is really going on the downtrend, and it broke a triangle in here. It broke the trend, so it's just gonna go down. That's because Bitcoin is going up, and it's just gonna go up. So people are fearing, and they're just trying to conserve their Bitcoins and grow. We'll just want to grow our Bitcoins. Um, but yeah, so now altcoins are just, statistically, statistically, I believe Bitcoin is just gonna go higher than everything right now. And if alts go up, they're just gonna try to catch to Bitcoin. They're not gonna go past. There are some exceptions, like the narrative coins. They're gonna go up, but you gotta make a good research. You gotta find them. Coins like, AGX. AGX is a really good coin. AGX has been going up crazy, man. Let's see here. AGX has been going up crazy. Just, I think, year, this year, it's been going up almost 4x. I think even more, man. I saw AGX in 3 cents on August, and now it got up to like 67 cents, which is crazy amount of percentage money opportunity right there. So yeah, it's all about that, man. But anyways, guys, yeah, to close the video, some things we can expect is we can do some live streams end of each week. And yeah, I'm really excited to be able to going to do some live streams because I can answer some questions from you directly and some doubts. So please make sure you guys join the live streams, as I believe they're going to be very important, and I'm going to try to spread as much educational information I can there. And but for that, I need you to help me. Just ask me questions and ask me what you need help on, so I can help you with those things in specific. But yeah, guys, it was nice meeting you, and thank you all for your support. Have a nice day.